Rwanda enjoys an excellent relationship with Qatar for a long time now. We value our friendship, but also the trade we have with Qatar, also investment of Qatar in Rwanda. So we are still working together to strengthen those relations and find new areas of cooperation, because we've seen that this cooperation that we have is fruitful for our two peoples. We thank Qatar, which is an important partner and mediator in the conflict in Eastern DRC. You know that as we speak now, there is peace talks in Doha between the government of DRC and the movement of AFC M23, which is a movement of Congolese Tutsis, especially Congolese of Rwandan descent, Congolese of Rwandan culture and language, who have been marginalized and persecuted for many years. So now Qatar is bringing them together in peace talks, which is important. And those talks in Doha will complement another agreement that was signed in Washington between Rwanda and DRC to deal about our security concerns, especially this movement called the FDLR, which is supported by the government of Congo, which has been attacking Rwanda, destabilizing Rwanda for many years. So it's important that we have those two processes, the Washington process and the Doha process, which we believe will be fruitful and bring permanent peace in our region.